Welcome to Global Retail TV. Tonight, our weekly retail news with Jalal Jahazi live from London studios.
U.S. Attorney General Chris Carr is working with public and private partners on the local, state, and federal levels to combat the surge in organized retail crimes targeting retailers and online marketplaces in Georgia and across the U.S. These ongoing efforts are enhanced by Governor Brian Kemp's budget on the legislative proposals to create a new gang prosecution unit in the Office of the Attorney General. Organized retail crime exposes Georgia retail workers to potential dangerous encounters, puts consumers at risk of unknowing purchase and expired or defective products from online marketplaces, and as well it threatens the health and growth of the local businesses. These unlawful activities can also be linked to other criminal operations including human trafficking, drug trafficking, corruption, bribery, and money laundering. The January US CPI Consumer Price Index report indicated a higher pace of inflation than many observers expected. The price level of the core CPI advanced 0.6% month-over-month, largely driven by price hikes in retail goods. The January CPI report lifts PIMCO inflation's forecast for year's end of 2022. However, we are also lowering real GDP forecast for the first quarter, since the higher trade than expected inflations coupled with more moderate spending according to our credit card data suggested real consumption likely contracted again in January. Household furnishing, apparels, and recreational goods also notable price jump in January as retailers passed on a higher input cost. Interestingly, these continuous price hikes took place following the large inventory accumulations and high trade flows in the fourth quarter of 2021. Both indicators that the production bottlenecks are easing in the US. Apple is raising the pay of many retail employees effective this month. The hike range from 2 to 10% depending on store locations and on the role, and it will go directly to sales staff. Apple is expanding its retail operations, betting that a combination of strategy developed before and during COVID-19 will make its store more popular than ever. Last year, reportedly, Apple paid one-time bonus as much as $1,000 to store employees ahead of the busy holiday seasons. The pay of the chief executive Tim Cook in 2021 was nearly $100 million, thanks to the stock award, or about 1,447 times that the average employee in an Apple store. Reactions from the retail sector continue to pour in after Australia announced it will reopen its international borders to foreign travelers from 21st of February this year. Fully vaccinated visa holders will be able to travel to and from Australia for the first time since March 2020 in a huge boost for the travel retail sector. The Australian Retail Association ARA, which represents the interests of 360 billion Australian dollars retail industry, and that employ 1.3 million Australians, said that the announcement was a welcome relief, especially for those businesses reliant on international tourism, including retail travels and tourism operators. Chinese luxury beauty and lifestyle retailers Bonnie&Clyde has revealed plans to double its retail presence in China this year. The company will increase its retail store network into the country to 12 outlets this year, having opened 6 stores across the top-tier malls last year. The stores will be located at Chengdu IFS, Changsha IFS, Nanjing Deji, and other major luxury malls in the East, Central, West, and South China. In addition, Bonnie&Clyde will partner with duty-free group CDF to expand its presence into the travel retail sectors in Beijing, Shanghai, Shenzhen, and Hainan. Bonnie&Clyde CEO William Lau said that they anticipated the year-on-year growth, which has exceeded over 70%, and they ramp up stores, digital communities, and increased assortment with clean, sustainable brands and as well with new partners.